So my first girlfriend completely shattered my heart when she left me, like I'm sure your first girlfriend did for you. But looking back, the real pain wasn't just the heartbreak or the loneliness. It was seeing her move on so quickly. A few months later, she was already dating someone new. Meanwhile, I was stuck obsessing over her, replaying everything in my head. I couldn't move on. And just like that, she snapped her fingers and moved on without a second thought. That feeling of being replaceable, there's nothing worse. It made me think, am I not enough? Is someone else always going to be better than me? And then it hit me. I've got to get lucky again. But even if I do, what's stopping her from replacing me again down the road? That breakup made me question who I was. Honestly, there were moments I wished I'd never gotten into that relationship at all. If you're going through something similar, or if you've been there before, listen up. I found a way to break out of this cycle, and in this video, I'm going to share a bulletproof plan to make yourself truly irreplaceable. You'll notice a shift. People will start treating you differently right from the start. If that sounds like something you need, hit the thumbs up for the algorithm and let's dive in. Number 1, know what you stand for. First things first, ask yourself, what are your non-negotiables? What are the deal breakers in a relationship? No matter how attractive or amazing the person is, you need clarity. And what would make you walk away from someone or something without hesitation? If you are not sure, you'll likely tolerate disrespect or compromise on your values. Here are 3 of mine. The first, freedom over obligation. I refuse to feel controlled. No one gets to dictate my time or my choices. Even something as simple as choosing to drive myself instead of relying on someone for a ride is about maintaining my independence. The second one would be peace of mind over perfection. I'll always choose simplicity over chaos. It's why I turn down business opportunities that don't align with my goals. I don't need unnecessary stress. And the last one would be authenticity over popularity. I choose what aligns with who I am, even if it doesn't match what everyone else is doing. When I started this YouTube channel, many people I know laughed with confusion or rolled their eyes with doubt, but I stay committed. The opinions of others don't define me. I follow what feels right. It can become very unsatisfying molding yourself to fit in with others. Lead with your values and women and people will naturally follow. Confidence comes from clarity. If your values are strong, you'll never be afraid to stand your ground. Number 2, become rare. Most guys blend into the crowd. You can tell exactly what type of guy they are based on a few quick observations, whether it's the gym rat, the finance bro, or even the sorority girl. Everyone is a walking stereotype. To be irreplaceable, you have to be different. Cultivate unique skills and hobbies. Here's some examples. If you're a gamer, get in shape and develop social confidence. Now you're an interesting, multifaceted guy. If you're a country boy, learn something like stock trading or coding. It makes you unpredictable. I was a skinny nerd in high school before I became an athlete that was at the gym and playing sports. But I also studied everything science along with business and real estate. When women found out I was a nerd at heart, they were surprised because it didn't fit my look. Over time, I kept building new skills like snowboarding, shooting, even golf. The takeaway here, unique men are unforgettable. Your image isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you carry yourself. Number 3, master emotional control. Picture this, you're at a crowded cafe and someone spills their drink all over you, then rudely says, watch where you're going. How do you respond? Do you lash out or do you awkwardly brush it off? Most people default to fight or flight. Either they fire back or they shrink away. But here's the difference. The man who stays composed and handles the situation with grace stands out. That's the kind of presence people admire and respect. Next time you're in a tense situation, practice this. Stay calm, look the person in the eyes, and call out their emotional state. You seem upset. This diffuses the tension and shows leadership. Here's another scenario with rejection, a man's biggest fear. Picture this. You're on a date and she suddenly says, "You're not really my type, you know." How do you react? Most guys either get flustered and try to prove themselves or brush it off awkwardly. But the man who stands out stays calm, smiles, and responds with, "Fair enough. What's your type then?" The key is emotional control. When you own your emotions instead of letting them control you, you project confidence and leave a lasting impression. Number 4, be intentional in your relationships. Would you date any attractive girl who gives you attention? It's easy to say no, but when an attractive girl gives you her number, you might be tempted to chase her even if she's flaky. Here's the truth. If your attention is easily given, it loses value. Women can sense when a guy is desperate for validation. The best way to make your attention valuable is to be selective when texting. Keep it short and direct. Don't get caught up in small talk. Just set up the next date. When you are on a date, keep your phone out of sight. It shows you are focused and intentional about the time you are spending together. Number 5, have a vision and live it. We all know that guy who talks about big plans, launching a business, going to the gym, becoming successful. But when you look at his life, he's not making any moves. He's just talking. People gravitate towards those who are actually living their vision. If you want to be irreplaceable, make sure your actions match your goals. For example, in 2009, I had a vision for becoming one of the best in the legal cannabis business in California. But it wasn't until 2020 that people really grasped and understood what I said and what I had accomplished. Now, people take me seriously because they see the work I've put in. I'm not just talking about it, I'm living it. I'm showing with my actions. When you align your actions with your vision, people will see you as someone who's truly committed to something bigger than just surface level goals. Those are the 5 rules. Take the first step to becoming that guy that everyone respects. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I drop 2 new videos every week and you don't want to miss them. Thank you for watching, and until next time.